I'm Grace.
So let's get started.
I'm a recipe blogger, family-taught home chef,
Cheers.
Cheers.
iPhone-only photographer, and proud New Englander.
Testing.
Testing.
Testing. Look at it's a green straw.
Oh.
Okay, so last time I was at your house, you were in the kitchen.
Yes.
And classic you, she always bakes every time we come over. You got something else going on in the kitchen. She's over there, making some type of like strawberry sauce, strawberry preserves. And you're like, oh, it's not that good. It's not that good. And then I go over and try it. And it is one of the best things I have ever had in my life. You gotta show us this strawberry preserve recipe because it is amazing and it's strawberry season.
It's really very simple.
Yes.
Yeah.
What does it start off with? What is this giant bowl of?
Fresh strawberries.
Can
Chopped
I
up.
feed you one?
No.
Chew. Okay. So what did you do here? You just cut them up.
Just washed and cut them.
Okay.
Took all the stems out.
And the fresher the better, right?
Fresher
I
the better.
assume.
If you can get native strawberries, of course, that's the best.
Okay, so we're just kind of prepping our ingredients, right? So we have our strawberries, and then what do we have here? What are we mixing together?
Well, we have some cornstarch
Okay.
and cold water.
Okay, and you just add the cold water in there?
To the cornstarch because
Okay.
this is going to be a thickener later on.
Nice. So cornstarch is like the best thickener. It like instantly thickens, right?
Yes.
Okay.
So, and you want to put it in the water, stir it so
Just
that
until it combines.
combines.
No lumps.
You don't want lumps in it.
Now
And
squeezy.
yes, we're going to have some lemon juice in this because it really does brighten the flavor of the strawberries, believe it or not.
I'm juicing
And I
you.
get to use this. I've never used anything like this, so.
Okay, it took us a while to figure out how to use this, but you put it in there, okay, and then squeeze it over. Use all those muscles. Oh yeah.
Oh, nice.
So the juice, it cuts kind of like the sweetness.
It just brightens it. And we also have some sugar here and some salt.
Sugar. And how much, like, do you just use enough sugar just to sweeten it? It kind of makes it into like more of a syrupy
Exactly.
thing, right? Okay.
Exactly.
And a pinch of salt
Salt.
just for flavor.
I'm gonna let you do this because
But look
I'm
at
not
my
as
muscles.
strong as your young.
Do you
your
really
young
look at my muscles though?
I know. I know. It's
I work out
enormous.
by a kitchen. So what do you do here? You just kind of
just mash them until they're letting out their juices.
Yep.
And you've got little pieces still in there because boy, is that good when you're having
Oh, yeah.
preserves, right?
Oh yeah, so not like a full mash, but you want it kind of enough to be a little bit like more juicy, right?
Right. Right.
Well, we might be waiting here all day.
I know. Maybe it was a mistake to give it to you. Oh boy, I don't know.
You're so much better than
This
me.
masher is like,
Queen of the preserves. I know that masher is
you
just
know,
terrible.
they don't make the old-fashioned mashers anymore. I should give you mine.
Wow. Look
Yeah.
at you. See, when I was mashing, we didn't make any progress, and now you mash, and it's perfect.
Muscles.
Okay, so now next step is to cook it off, right?
Right.
Okay, so we have a pot, and then we want to just stick this in here, right?
Right in the pot.
Now I got to use my muscles again. I'm glad I'm not wearing white. It could be dangerous. Okay, so now we're just going to add everything but the cornstarch, right?
Yes.
Okay. So we got the lemon juice.
Lemon juice.
Want to grab that sugar for me?
Sugar.
Pop that in. And then the salt, right?
Yes.
Boop. Give it a good mix.
So now we're going to bring it to a boil,
Perfect.
and then we're going to turn it down.
Okay,
Bring
yep.
it to a simmer,
Yep.
and then add the cornstarch to
Look how
thicken it.
easy. So easy.
Yes.
Okay, boil time. So we brought it to a boil. Now we turn it down to a,
like a medium heat,
Yep.
so it just simmers a little.
yep.
And we're going to add the cornstarch mixture so that it thickens.
Perfect. And then how long do we let this go?
Oh, I'd say about maybe 7 minutes.
I can't wait. It smells.
Yeah, doesn't it smell so good?
Give me the jam! Preserves, whatever you
Where's
call
my
it.
toast? So this has simmered for 7 minutes. It's nice and thick.
It looks
Smells
like heaven.
delicious. You can smell those strawberries. And now we want to cool it.
Okay, so how do you
So
usually do that?
I would pour it in a bowl that's wider so you have, it can cool fairly quickly.
Fast. Okay.
Yeah.
And do you usually leave this at room temperature
I
for a little
do.
bit and then put it in the fridge?
Yes.
Okay, because you don't want it to crack, right?
Right.
Okay.
Right.
Perfect.
And if you want to store it or give it to somebody in a little mason jar, or you can do that too.
Okay.
But don't, let it cool first.
Okay, like what, 30 minutes or so? And then...
Yeah. And if you stir it once in a while while you're doing other things, it'll cool faster.
Lovely. I really just want to take a hot bath in here.
I know, don't you really?
Okay, the wait begins. Embrace.
Okay, so
It's
this
been
is
chillin'.
partially chilled.
Chillin'. Say chillin'.
Chillin'.
Say
This is chillin'.
Say chillin' like a villain.
Chillin' like a villain.
And then what do we want to do? We just scoop this?
Oh, we're just gonna scoop some.
Okay, I
You
see
can
it's
put
thickening.
it in.
It's thickening.
Yes.
And then just like anything that you're gonna store this in, right? Ooh, this is it.
I don't know if that's gonna work.
It's about to be messy.
About to be messy.
It's time
Okay.
for more chillin'.
Time for more chillin'.
In the fridge it goes until it's nice and cool. Perfectly toasted bread.
Time to taste.
It's magic.
It's magic.
I can't wait to try this.
I know.
Oh my gosh. I'm figuring that the spoon action would be the best because you can get all those whole
Pieces of
pieces.
strawberry, yes.
Oh, on toast like this. I can't wait to try. But you can also put it on what? Do you want me to do your bread for
You
you?
can put it on ice cream. You can put it on shortcake or in between layers of cake.
And you can serve it warm too, right?
You can serve it warm. You could even put it on pancakes or
Oh.
Nice. Fantastic.
Okay. Oh my god.
That's good.
something. That is good.
Whoa.
Calm.